Hello friends, today we will become hygiene superheroes and learn good habit hygiene words from A to Z. A for adequate sleep, which means get enough sleep each night to maintain overall health. B for brushing teeth, which means brush your teeth twice a day to keep them healthy. C for cleaning toys, which means regularly sanitize toys to prevent the buildup of germs. D for drinking water, to stay hydrated and keep your body healthy. E for ear cleaning, to remove excess wax and dirt. F for flushing toilet after use. This habit is important for sanitation and cleanliness in the bathroom. G for grooming, to keep yourself neat and tidy by combing hair and maintaining cleanliness. H for hand washing, which means wash with soap and water to prevent the spread of germs. I for itch management, which means avoid scratching itchy skin. Use suitable creams or ointments. J for junk food moderation, which means limit the intake of junk food and opt for healthier snacks. K for knuckle sneeze, which means sneeze or cough into a bent elbow knuckle if don't have a tissue to reduce the spread of germs. L for laundry, to wash and change your clothes regularly to maintain cleanliness. M for moisturizing the skin. Use lotion or moisturizer to keep your skin soft and hydrated. N for nose blowing, which means blow your nose gently to clear it from mucus and prevent infections. O for oral hygiene, which means take care of your mouth, teeth and gums to maintain good oral health. P for posture awareness, which means adopt good posture to prevent back and neck pain. Q for quest for hygiene knowledge, to keep seeking knowledge about personal hygiene and good habits. R for respiratory etiquette, which means practice good manners when coughing and sneezing to protect others. S for saliva hygiene, which means avoid sharing utensils or personal items that come into contact with saliva for germ spread. T for tissue disposal, which means dispose of used tissues properly in the trash to prevent the spread of germs. U for uniform cleanliness, which means keep uniform clean and well maintained. V for vision care, which means take care of your eyes and get regular checkups. W for washing fruits and veggies, which means wash it before eating to remove dirt and bacteria. X for genial behavior, meaning hospitable and friendly when reminding others about good hygiene practices. Y for yoga, to engage in physical activities like yoga to promote overall health and fitness. Z for zapping germs, to keep your environment clean and germ-free by disinfecting surfaces. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos.